Hi beautiful soul, my name is Vidya, the voice behind Chikka Tikka Diaries, or as I like to call it, CTD. Today we're going to be making a super simple recipe that I came up with on the fly after I came home from work on a Wednesday evening. All I had in the fridge was tofu and a few other veggies, so thought I'd share this quick and nourishing recipe with you. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to Chikka Tikka Diaries so you don't miss any future CTD recipe. Let's dive right into making this tofu and mixed vegetable sabji. In a pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and cumin seeds, as well as asafoetida. Saute this on a low heat. The whole Indian spices start to crackle and pop. We'll add our ginger, garlic, and green Thai chili pepper. Maintain the heat at a low setting to not burn the aromatics. Add 1 diced red onion, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt. The salt will actually help the onion sweat a little and creates a delicious, comforting smell in any kitchen. Then add 1 diced tomato. Saute this on a medium-low setting. Next, we'll prep and add our remaining veggies. I added green capsicums and broccoli. Did you know you can also use the broccoli stems? I think this is such an incredible way for us to reduce our food waste. Combine the ingredients on a medium-high setting, then cover with the lid. After 2 to 3 minutes, we'll add our spices: red chili powder, turmeric, and coriander powder. You can substitute the coriander for garam masala. Once again, cover with the lid to allow all the spices and veggies marry each other. For this recipe, my go-to brand has always been Sunrise Tofu. I especially love their extra firm tofu, perfect for recipes like this one. Add the tofu and gently combine with the spatula on a high setting. Look how delicious this looks, if only we had smell-o-vision. Now is the time to do a taste test. Tasting your homemade tofu and mixed vegetable sabji is the best way to know if you need to add more salt or a little bit more spice. Instead of adding fresh coriander or cilantro leaves, I took my Amma's advice and added some of her dried curry leaves. Just take a handful out of the bag and crush them in between your fingers. You can also use dried methi leaves as a substitute. Give this a quick toss and this is ready to be devoured. Serve your homemade tofu and mixed vegetable sabji on a bed of rice or even some homemade chapatis. The choice is yours. If you found value and cooking inspiration from this video, make sure to hit that like button and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any future CTD videos. See you in the next cooking video, and remember to keep smiling, beautiful soul.